Hi, I'm Judi Madsen here at Daytona Beach Quilt Week, and I'm going to show you a little bit about my new ruler. It's called the Quick Mark ruler. I like to use it because it has little grooves. This isn't to put your sewing machine or your long arm inside. It's for you to use your marker and to help you mark when you're doing that. Anytime I make a design on a quilt, I'm marking a lot, and so this ruler I developed to help me in the process. So if you look at this, I can come over here, line up, and these increments are at 1 inch. So I'll come in with my ruler. And so instead of having to look and mark once, you can look and mark 3 times. It's fabulous. So, and then I'm going to turn it around. Make sure it's marked perfect. Oh. Okay, and I can do that again. And then instantly I have a grid, a 1 inch grid. The great thing about this, I can also use it to quilt with. So it's 1/4 inch, it's a 4x10 ruler. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, start in my corner. I've got my ruler base on. And then I'll come over here. You can see I've got a nice area to work here. How nice that is. And then I can come down, and again, using the grids on the ruler, traveling along my lines. So all in all, this is a great ruler. It's a 2-in-1 ruler, and I can have a lot of fun getting this cute little design put together. So now I'm going to the other side. Create my grid. And there you go. So I can do more freeform fillers inside and have a lot of fun with that, but it's great for the ruler work, and I love that you can use it both for the drawing and for the ruler work, the straight ruler work. So I hope I see you at the next Quilt Week.